Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set custom wallpaper for individual chats in WhatsApp on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So for that, just open your App Store and then you have to tap on this search button at the bottom right. So let me tap on this and then you have to do a search for WhatsApp. So let me do that. And you can see guys, here I have this WhatsApp. So you have to tap on this to open it. Let me tap on this. And you can see I have this WhatsApp, this page opened. And you can see guys, I don't have any update button over here because I recently updated it. If you see the update button, just tap on the update button in order to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And after that, you can open your WhatsApp by tapping on this open button over here. And also you can close your App Store. Let me close that and find your WhatsApp over here. Okay, so let me find mine. So here I have this WhatsApp, so you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this and you can see guys, it's opened and you can see I have this chats, this is screen opened. Okay, you can see I have this chats tab selected. So if you have some other tab selected, just tap on this chats tab in order to open this. And you can see guys, I have some chats over here. So you have to go to the chat for which you want to set custom wallpaper for. So I want to do this for this chat. So you have to tap on this to open it. Let me tap on this and you can see it's now opened. And you can see guys, currently I have this wallpaper set for this chat. So let's change this. So for that you have to tap on this name at the top left. So let me tap on this and I have this contact info, this is screen opened. And after that guys, you have to tap on this wallpaper and sound. So let me tap on this and it's opened. And you can see guys, here we have this custom wallpaper, this section. You can see the current wallpaper over here. So in order to set custom wallpaper, you have to tap on this, choose a new wallpaper. So let me tap on this and you can see I have this chat wallpaper, this is screen opened. And you can see guys, here we have various wallpaper categories like bright, dark, solid colors, and also these photos. So if you have, your own photo and you want to set it, then you can do that also. So let me show you all these categories. So let me tap on this bright, this first. Okay, you can see I have, various wallpapers. And also if I scroll down, you can see various wallpapers. Let me scroll at the bottom. And you can see guys, here we have this previous collection, this option, this wallpaper archive. If I tap on this, I can see the previous collections. Okay, you can see. So let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me select this dark by tapping on it. You can see here we have various dark wallpapers. And also if I scroll at the bottom, you can see here we have this wallpaper archive. Let me tap on this. You can see. Let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me tap on this solid colors, this category. You can see here we have various solid colors. Okay, let me go back. Let me tap on this photos. Let me tap on this recents. You can see I have my photos over here. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So just go to the category from which you want to select wallpaper. So I want to select, from this category, solid colors. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this. And you can see it's now opened. And after that, you have to, tap on the wallpaper that you want. So let me find that, my wallpaper that I want. So I want, this one. So let me tap on this. And you can see the preview of that. And you can see guys, here we have this wallpaper doodle on this option. You can also off this by tapping over here. So let me tap on this and you can see it's now off, but I want to turn on this option. So let me tap over here again and you can see it's now on. And after that guys, you can tap on this set button. So let me tap on this and you can see it's now set. And after that you can go back to your chat. So let me go back. Let me tap on this back button. Let me tap on this back button again. Okay, and you can see I'm on this chat, and you can see the custom wallpaper is now set for this chat. Okay, so let me go back to chats screen. I have all chats over here. Let me open this chat, and you can see this one has a different wallpaper. So let me go back. And also if I open this chat, let me open this, and you can see this one has different wallpaper than the first one. So let me go back. So it's now done, guys. In the same way you can do with other chats. So let me show you one more example. So let me open this chat. So let's set custom wallpaper for this chat. So currently I have this wallpaper set. So in order to change this, you have to tap on this name over here at the top left in order to go to the contact info screen. Let me tap on this. I have this contact info screen opened, and after that you have to tap on this wallpaper and sound. Let me tap on this. It's now opened. You can see current wallpaper, and after that you have to tap on this choose a new wallpaper. Let me tap on this. It's now opened this chat wallpaper screen. I have various categories like bright, dark, solid colors, and also photos. So at this time I want to select from this photos. So let me tap on this. Let me tap on this recents, this folder. Okay, I want to select this wallpaper, this photo. Let me tap on this. I have this preview, this screen opened, and here I have this wallpaper motion currently on. You can also turn off this by tapping over here. Let me tap on this because I want to show you. You can see it's now off, but I want to turn on this. Let me tap over here, and you can see, guys, it's now on. And after that just tap on this set button. So let me do that, and you can see it's now set. So let me go back. Let me go back again in order to go to the chats screen. You can see this wallpaper, this custom wallpaper is now set for this chat. Okay, so if I go back to the chats screen, let me open this first chat. You can see this one has a different wallpaper. Let me go back. Let me open this second chat. You can see this one has different wallpaper. Let me go back. Let me open this third chat. And you can see this one has different wallpaper. So let me go back. So that's it. In this way you can easily set custom wallpaper for individual chats in WhatsApp on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.